Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alberto Diaz. I'll be the main individual leading today's webinar. The agenda that we sent out as part of this webinar, it's basically the summary that I'm presenting to you currently. What I will be going over today is all of the capabilities of the intelligent drawing platform, a product developed by Visual Aim that essentially allows management of assets and operations within any process facility to be a lot more streamlined. The ability to intelligize drawings enables things such as, for example, HAZOP studies, especially in our current situation where a lot of the work is remote. Some of our users have actually started to use the PNIDs inside of the intelligent drawer platform to conduct these HAZOP studies from a remote standpoint. When intelligizing multiple drawing types, including in electrical wiring diagrams, we can design energy control plans with information coming from multiple sources of information in order to amalgamate what these lockout tagout procedures could be. At the same time, with PFDs on IntelliGIS, we can also perform corrosion studies. And I'm just going to go here and change my arrow pointer here for a pen here just a second. This is going to be better for me to speak to these points. So with PFDs IntelliGIS within the platform, users can also perform corrosion studies, again, from a remote perspective. We'll also be showing how the intelligent drawing platform allows for the contextualization of information within the drawings that clearly accelerates the time to value from predictive analytics. At the same time, the fact that the software understands CAD content and symbology, it allows for standardization of CAD drawings in a macro perspective. As an example, you can standardize all gate valves to look exactly the same across a set of 1,000 or 5,000 PNID drawings. We'll also show a red line tracking tool, which is essentially a red line tool within the software that allows users to track revision changes and implement it as part of the MOC process of changes that occur within the facility. We'll also be showing process mapping, which is one of the capabilities of the platform that allows users to define process lines from origin to destination, and with this information, explore reports of relationships and also visualize drawings across multiple different PNIDs. And this kind of turns itself into drawing what we call drawing distillation, sorry. This distillation is that same connectivity across multiple drawings, but just focusing on the main process that the user might want to see. Drawing navigation is another one of the features that we'll be talking about today. And essentially, once the drawings are processed and indexed, very quickly links are made between one drawing and another, such as, for example, through off-page connectors in order to make those associations. We'll show also how this EAM hierarchy, which is one of the tools and features within the software, allows to structure different hierarchies within the platform in order to basically create hierarchies for work order systems such as SAP or maybe even Infor, and also how it helps to structure information for predictive analytics. All of this is accessible via the web. It's a web-based platform that allows for its use, but at the same time, this is a flexible software that can also be used in tablets in the field. Training is also an important part, we believe, of our software, because a lot of these projects that we're implementing in multiple sites, we're actually training the individuals at the facility so they can go ahead and manage the product moving forward without depending on us as the main point of contact or contractor. In order to do the work for them, they can take the work amongst themselves in order to keep the programs going. And as a result of all of the features that I've just spoken about, at the end of the day, the intelligent drawing platform brings situational awareness to the facility with the capability of having insights and looking into the drawings from different angles and perspectives. You just have increased situational awareness for your operations. And as a result, we've got customers experiencing anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 increase in their productivity and top line value of their operations after implementing the intelligent drawing platform. With that said, this agenda contains obviously a bit more information, which we will be sending to you after we're done with the webinar today. As I've mentioned before, our company is Visual Aim, and we develop what we call the Intelligent Drawing Platform, which is the main product that I'll be talking about during today's webinar. The way that the platform works, it basically grabs CAD content and it can read and write against it via the application. The way that it works, you literally just upload the drawing into the platform, and it's allowing all of the drawing content and symbologies to be transferred over into the web version. So all of the information is captured and turned into a database structure, which is then rendered through the platform as an intelligent drawing. This conversion process, we've benchmarked it at 4.3 seconds per drawing. So it is a very fast and streamlined process that takes you from a regular CAD drawing to the intelligent version of that, from which you can then start to build interactions with.